This is the noise level meter. It measures the noise. Okay, I am willing to donate personally from my own money 2 such systems to Anjuna Police.
अंजुना प्रोटेस्ट करपी लोकांनी आपल्यो मेणवाती पावसान लेगीत पालोवंक दिल्यो ना. लावड म्युझिका विरोधात आंदोलन अजून सुरूच. लोकांच्या प्रोटेस्टाक लागून कांय क्लबांनी रेस्टॉरंटांनी म्युझिकाचो आवाज कमी केल्लो, मात हाचेर परमनंट सोल्युशन अजून ना. हाकाच लागून लोकांनी परत एकदा अंजुना पुलीस स्टेशनार मोर्चा काढत नॉयज पोल्युशनाचेर स्वरचित सॉंग्स म्हणून पुलिसा समोर आंदोलन केले. आम्ही सतत कंप्लेनी करता, मात पुलीस आश्वासना दिवन लेगीत हे लावड म्युझिक कित्याक थांबोवंक पावना असो प्रश्न लोकांनी केला. हाकाच बेजारून एका स्थायिकान आपण पुलिसांक 2 नॉयज मॉनिटरिंग डिव्हाइस डोनेट करता अशें सांगत ताचो वापर नॉयज पोल्युशनाचेर नियंत्रण हाडपाक करचो अशी मागणी केल्या. आम्ही प्रोटेस्ट स्टार्ट केला तेन्नाच्यान आमकां घरांतल्यान भायर वचपाक लेगीत भंय दिसता, कारण लोक आमकां धमकायतात. आम्ही प्रोटेस्ट करता हो फक्त आमकां त्रास जाता म्हणून न्हय, तर ह्या लावड म्युझिकाचो त्रास हांगा आशिल्ल्या जनावरांक लेगीत जाता. मात ताची दखल कोण घेना अशें म्हणत लोकांनी खंत व्यक्त केला. आमकां हाचेर परमनंट सोल्युशन जाय आनी त्याच खातीर आमी आंदोलन करत रावतले असो इशारो लोकांनी केला.
आमकां सुरक्षा जाय, कित्याक आमकां भायर सरोंक आमकां हें ना, कित्याक आमच्या घरान येवन आमकां हें करतात की धमकी दितात की तुमी प्रूफ हाडात आनी कितें ते भाशेन, आनी कंप्लेन करून गेल्यार म्हणटात कित्याक कंप्लेन करतात.
पूण तुमकां भायर सरपाक पयलो म्हणजे भंय दिसता कित्या खातीर भायर सरोंक दिना
केल्यार ते आमकां पत्ते आमच्या दारार येतात आनी सारके भितर येतात आनी म्हणटात आमकां की तुमी प्रूफ दियात की आमचें म्युजीक तुमकां डिस्टर्ब करता वो कितें ते भाशेन.
ओके.
आमी कंप्लेनूय आमी रेजिस्टर
तुमी खंय रावता?
वागातोर.
तुमी वागातोर रावता आनी खंयच्यो म्युजीक येता आनी खंयच्या टायमाचेर म्युजीक येता?
येतात आमी नांव सांगना, कित्याक मागीर आमकां हें ना न्हू, आमकां हॉस्टेलां सेफ्टी जाय आमकां.
तुमी हॉस्टेलान आसता?
आमी
घर
आमच्या घराशेन जायतीं हॉस्टेलूय आहात, क्लबय आहात, सो तेका लागून मागीर ती नांव सांगल्यार मागीर म्हणटात की पत्ते आमकांच टार्गेट करूंक येतली ती. तेका लागून आमी आमच्या सेफ्टीक लागून आमी कंप्लेनूय केल्ली आसा.
ओके. म्हणजे जेन्ना तुमी कंप्लेन करपाक केल्ली पळय हेच्या पयलीं तेन्ना कोण येयलेले तुमकां धमकी बीन दिवपाक?
हय, दिवंक येयल्या म्हणूनच आमी हें केलां न्हू.
कितें थ्रेटन जातलें तुमकां? कितें म्हणून?
म्हणजे तुमी म्युजीक कित्याक आमचें बंद करतात अशें म्हणून विचारतात ते आमकां. म्हणजे आमच्या कुशीकूच एक क्लब आहा.
स्पेसिफिकली सांगू शकता खंयची?
हां,
हेचेर आमी मेन्शन केल्लें.
आनी तुमी कितें सांगूंक सोदता?
आमी दोगांच आसता
घरा कडेन दोगांच आसता तुमी? ओके. आनी म्युजीक कितल्या टायमाचेर येता तुमकां आयकूंक?
10 उपरांत स्टार्ट जाता तेंचे.
ओके. मग हांगासर केन्ना जाता? हांगासर जेन्ना प्रोटेस्ट तुमचो चालू आसलो पळय 4 दीस जाले, त्याच्या उपरांत परतून म्युजीक स्टार्ट जालें येवपाक?
स्टार्ट जालें, ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड.
ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट जालें. टील टायमींग?
टायमींग टील मॉर्निंग पासून आसता.
मॉर्निंग मेरेन आसता.
One very important thing to note is that please note how the question comes across to us, like when did the music start, and she her immediate response was dark, but please understand that is by law we are everyone has been saying it round and round again that the music starts at 10, but the music actually starts way before, even once it is plugged and once we can hear anything, it is already loud beyond the limits. So this 10 o'clock, and recently I've heard about a policy that is saying they want to increase it to 12 o'clock because of, and they want to include some religious function as a basis for increasing the time limit. I think I don't know about other places, but here even the 10 o'clock limit is not valued or respected, and we are increasing it for 2 more hours legally. What is happening? If we cannot evaluate, if we cannot monitor something up to 10 o'clock, how will we monitor something up to 12 o'clock? And now we'll go to one of the, we're very thankful to have Darshan Bhatia. He's one of the petitioners in the High Court for the current case, which is the case against for the noise pollution.
Yes.
I'll let Darshan Bhatia speak, and you all will be surprised to see something in his hand.
The reason behind that you all have come here.
So this is an ongoing problem where clubs are playing loud music through the night. I am one of the people who suffers also. I am also a petitioner in the High Court, and I have made so many complaints to the police, but only lip service is done, and the problem is not being solved, and cases are not being booked. And last week when the candlelight vigil happened, for a couple of days things were a little quieter, but it is back to normal again.
Okay. But the music is getting continuously from 10 to morning time again
It
after the
depends.
protest also.
It depends on different venues. I live in Arpora, but in the Anjuna Vagator belt, yes, it is very loud. Of course, right now it is monsoon and raining, so sometimes it is not peak season, but the problem is still continuing, yes.
Okay.
सर हायकोर्टान ऑर्डर पास केल्ली आसा दॅट टू हॅव इंडोर्स क्लब्स टू बी सेट अप एंड गिवन अ टाइम पीरियड बट स्टील यू ऑल आर ऑन गोइंग विथ द प्रोटेस्ट.
So High Court has not given an order to have indoor clubs. The High Court has said noise monitoring systems should be installed, and they have asked the Goa State Pollution Control Board to give a date by which they will be installed. But my argument has always been that this is a noise level meter. It measures the noise. Okay, I am willing to donate personally from my own money 2 such systems to Anjuna Police. It costs about 10,000 rupees each. Mine is calibrated up to February 2025. And all the police have to do is, if there is a complaint, go there, measure it. If it is exceeding the recommended and specified noise level, they have to book a case. How many complaints have happened and how many cases have been booked? You can please ask them. In the whole year, you will see 2-3 cases booked. And if the place is a repeat offender, they are supposed to confiscate the equipment. This is a crime which they are supposed to take action. But they don't do it.
How does this device work?
You can see it as I speak. You will see the number goes up. It measures the sound level, and if we are silent for, I'll just request 5 seconds of silence. It has come down to about 52 decibels when we were quiet. Now I'm speaking, it's showing 79 decibels. So it measures the sound level. This is a microphone, and it tells you how loud it is.
So easily you can check this thing also, the music decimal points also, everything.
Absolutely, this is what should be done, and I'm willing to donate it also, so that tomorrow nobody says we don't have the equipment to go and measure.
Have you met the new recruit PI
The
for
PI?
the Anjuna?
I have personally not met, but Nash might have met.
Okay. Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, so that is very grateful for citizen to come up ahead and give at least some device that the authorities can use, because it's reached such a state where we have to give suggestions about what can be done for the authorities to help us. And if you all noted that the device showed around 70 to 79 decibels when he was talking. Now this is something to be focused on, that when we sleep, we need at least 50 decibels to sleep, because this is a residential area. We are not thinking of the fact that this is still a residential area, and even up to 10 p.m. the music can be heard, and who is monitoring that? And some people are saying even when you talk, it is more than 50. Yes, it is, and that is why the Supreme Court and all the courts have, the National Green Tribunal have said that you require that much time to sleep. Even it was mentioned that WHO has stated that sleep is an essential criteria for us. Now we'll just go on to another resident from Anjuna, who a couple of years back had come to the police station, and this is how his experience had been. Because this is
Yeah,
Your name, sir?
I'm Jonah and I live in Pikenpede. And I remember one of the first times when I tried to make a complaint about loud music that was coming, which I couldn't sleep. I remember the police on the other side, they told me that it was our responsibility to go and find the place where the music was coming from. I found that very weird. At 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning, we have to get out of bed and go find the place. So the first time, second time, I didn't do that. I was not feeling safe. But after so many times of doing that, I finally did it. I went to the junction. I found the place. I was calling them from there, and the van that they promised would come never came. So finally, one day, out of desperation, I went back home and I got my pillow and I got my bed sheet and I came here, and I have a video of me doing that. And this bench right here, I put my pillow on my bed sheet and I said, I'm sleeping here until you put the music off, because in any case at home I cannot sleep. So I put my pillow and I put my bed sheet and I filled myself and I did. So of course all the police found it very funny that I was doing that, and then they started calling the jeep which was out and doing the rounds, and they told me that the music was soft, and I was coordinating with my wife who was still at home, and she said the music is still there but it is significantly softer, and we had to accept that as the result, and then we went home to sleep with soft music, not shut off music. That was the best that we could do, and I'm willing to do it again. I'm coming to sleep here if the music is back. If anybody wants to join me, let me know. I'm ready to come and sleep here.
Okay.
So, as you said, that police and authorities are local forced to come out on the road or the street, then only the action should be taken.
Yeah, because they said that if you don't know where the music is coming from, how can we know? So I would have thought logically you can tell them where you live, and then perhaps they can find out where it's coming from. But that apparently is not the situation that they would like to work with, that the citizen has to get up at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning, go and find the place and call them from there, which if you also do, you realize that they still don't come. Because
When it
tried
was?
and tested.
When it was?
This was, I think 2 years ago.
2 years ago. Okay.